So if you're not bothering about the classes, we won't bother about you. Now in the chapter thermodynamics, there are two terms. One of them is system and other is surroundings. And together they make the universe. Now what is the meaning of the system? What is the meaning of the system? Aryan, can you tell?
I'm part of universe which is considered in the reaction.
Yes, very good. अब मेरे पास आरव का response आ रहा है. System means it is that part of universe. Suppose आप lab में which is under study of universe under study. It means that suppose in the chemistry lab we are doing practical in a test tube. So that test tube will be my system. And what will be my surroundings?
Everything except the system is surrounding.
Everything except the system. It means that the chemistry lab, school, Dwarka, for others or everything is the surroundings. So it means that system plus surrounding means the universe.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I joined late due to some network problem.
Okay, I will mark you present. What's the name, Sajid?
Ma'am, join too. I joined late, ma'am, तो मैं phone was lab game.
Okay, I will see in between also how many absentees are there. Because I am keeping a record of the regular absentees. इसलिए मैं स्क्रीनशॉट सारे अपने फोन में सेव कर रही हूँ. Part of the universe which is under study is called a system, other is surrounding. Now, can we study universe? No, because universe is so vast that we are unable to study. So, what we are actually studying? System or surroundings?
System.
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 Okay, so we study only system. We are only bothered about system. We cannot study the surroundings as well as the universe. Okay, now the next topic, this was just a brief introduction, is the type of systems. Now there are three types of systems. One of them is open. Second is closed. And third is isolated. So there are three types of systems: open system, closed system, and isolated. Suppose I am taking this one, this chalk box. What is it, open or closed or isolated?
Open system.
It is an open system. Open means I can take out chalks from this. I can add chalk in this. So open system means in which there is an exchange of heat. There can be a exchange of heat as well as matter with the surroundings. There can be exchange of heat as well as matter with the surroundings. So this type of system is called as open system. Can you give me examples of an open system?
Glass of water.
Okay, a glass of water, water in a glass. Now, what is the meaning of a closed system? Suppose I am taking this PEX case, this is closed. So can I add something in it if it is closed?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. So what it can exchange? There is no exchange of?
Ma'am, only energy can exchange.
Yes. So no exchange of matter. Only exchange of energy is possible. Okay. Now, for example, water bottle. Water in a closed bottle. So this is an example of an open system. Sorry, closed system. Next is isolated. Isolated means no exchange of matter and energy with surroundings. ठीक है? Isolated means there is no exchange of matter as well as energy with the
Ma'am,
surroundings.
I think the board is not visible.
Okay. I think now it's
Yes,
visible.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
No
visible.
exchange of matter and energy with the surroundings. An example of isolated system is water in a thermos flask.
हम अगर वो भी 100% नहीं होता
हाँ, 100%
Yes, ma'am.
isolated is not
Ideal.
possible. 100% isolated is not possible. क्योंकि कुछ ना कुछ गैप रह ही जाएगा. But we can take it under the example of isolated, depends upon the quality also. So water in a thermos flask is almost an example of a isolated system. Okay, so this was the general introduction of the chapter, that is what is the meaning of thermodynamics, what is the meaning of system, what is the meaning of surroundings. Okay, and your pattern of the examination will be same as that of the physics. Is it okay? Like one choice in three, one marker question. I think Aruni ma'am has sent you the pattern. Yes or no? Have you got the pattern of the question paper? No response. There are only two options, either yes or no. Aishwarya, have you got the
pattern?
Is it-
Ma'am.
Okay, let me tell you. मैं बता ही देती हूँ. In the paper, there will be 6 MCQ. You can do only 5. Then 4 questions of 2 marks. Do 3. 4 questions of 3 marks. Do 3. And 1 5 marker question. 2 questions होंगे. 2 questions of 5
मैम
marks.
5 मार्क और केस स्टडीज है
वो देख लेंगे. वो हमारे ऊपर है. Only 1. मतलब 5 मार्कर में चॉइस होगी, या तो ये क्वेश्चन करो या ये क्वेश्चन करो. ठीक है. तो 6 questions of 1 marker each. Do only 5. 4 questions of 2 marks. Do 3. 4 questions of 3 marks. Do only 3. 2 questions of 5 marks. Do only 1. In
मैम
both
आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम में क्या लिखना है?
example is water in a thermos flask. Water
Ma'am,
in a thermos.
the
Yes,
duration of test will be 2 hours
1
now.
hour. 1 hour.
Okay, ma'am.
It will be given to you officially. So don't ask about the other details. I have told you the pattern of the paper, that's all. Other things will be given to you. Okay. So example is water in an insulated vessel or an insulated thermos flask. Now, generally in chemistry, what we are dealing is with, what is the gas law, gas equation? What is the ideal gas equation?
PV is equal to nRT.
PV is equal to nRT. It means that there are certain variables which are called as state variables. So generally what we are writing is P, V are the constant of the T. So these are called as state variables. State variables are those,
M and N.
and generally we take a fixed amount of a gas. We take a fixed amount of the
Okay, ma'am.
reactant. So that's why I am not writing N. So these variables are called as state variables. State variables are those whose value depends on initial and final state. Whose value depend on initial and final state, not on how these states are achieved. It means we are only bothered what is the initial temperature, what is the final temperature. We are not bothered how we are increasing the temperature. We are bothered what is the initial volume, what is the final volume. how the volume is changed, how the temperature and pressure are changed. We are not dealing with this. So state variables are those whose values depend only on the initial and final state. It do not depend on how we are achieving these states or how we are changing these values. Okay. Now another thing is that we have got, there are number of other things also which we call as the state variables. So state variables के examples हैं pressure, volume and temperature. Now there are number of state variables को हम state functions भी बोलते हैं. State variables are also called as state functions. Now there are other state functions also. There are other state functions also. Like the first state function, except temperature, pressure, and volume, that we are going to do is the internal energy. Okay. Now, अब आपका chapter basically start हो रहा है. पहले बिल्कुल general introduction था. Internal energy. What is the meaning of the internal energy? It is a sum total of all the energies internal energy. It is a sum total of all the energies possessed by a system. Now suppose we are taking a liquid in a test tube, any liquid in a test tube. So what type of energy it will be having? Particles are in a state of constant motion. So it means it is a sum total of large number of energy, like kinetic energy. I am writing the symbol potential energy. It is there. It is rotational energy. The particles are rotating. It is vibrational energy. If you are passing
Nuclear energy.
yes. कौन सी बोली थी आप?
Ma'am, nuclear energy.
Yes, nuclear energy. etc. So it means the internal energy is sum total of various type of energies possessed by a system. Thermal energy can also be possible. So all these type of energies, it is called as the internal energy. Can we find out the exact value of internal energy?
No, ma'am.
No, it is not possible to find. We cannot find out the exact value of internal energy. Why? Because we cannot find out how these energies are changing or what is the amount of किसके पास कितनी एक मॉलिक्यूल के पास कितनी रोटेशन है कितनी वाइब्रेशन we cannot find. So it means that we cannot find exact value of internal energy. What is the symbol for internal energy?
U.
In physics, what does it mean? Yes or no? Is silent capital? Silent? SS, the name of the silent channel. Silent unmute yourself. Silent, should I mark your exit? Okay, sir.
Ma'am, what is the sign?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the?
Ma'am, what is the sign of the internal energy?
That I am coming to. But what I am asking you, have you done internal energy in physics? This was my question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's what I was asking. Simple unity for physics में.
मैम आपकी वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आई मीन इको हो रही है.
Yes, ma'am, it's echoing.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay. I think now it's okay.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's fine.
I was asking what is the symbol of internal energy in physics? U only?
Yes, ma'am. You.
Okay. Now what we are going to do, so it means that we cannot find out the exact value of internal energy, but we can find
Change in internal energy.
change in internal energy. And change in internal energy means delta U. Is it okay? So it means that we can find out the change in internal energy. So how the internal energy changes?
By increase in temperature.
Mu changes when, first point, temperature is changed. How the temperature changes? When heat is evolved
When heat is supplied to the container.
evolved or absorbed. It can be anything. When the system is losing heat or system is gaining heat. When heat is evolved or absorbed by the system, then the internal energy of the system changes.
And ma'am, volume.
Volume की जगह हम क्या लेते हैं? When work is
Then-
done, work को we can convert.
Excuse me, ma'am.
आपको चाहिए? मेरे पास है. Okay. When work is done on the system or by the system. Now that work can be pressure volume work. ठीक है, जो आप V कह रहे थे, that is pressure volume work. Volume is
Excuse me,
changing.
ma'am.
Yes.
मैम कोई किसी भी सिस्टम के पास काइनेटिक एनर्जी तो तब होगी ना अगर वो सिस्टम मूव कर रहा हो, अगर वो रेस्ट पे है तब उसको कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे ना.
हाँ, लेकिन जनरली अगर मैं गैसेस और लिक्विड्स लूंगी तो क्या होगा? पार्टिकल्स आर पोजेसिंग सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी. केवल सॉलिड्स के केस में
मैम
I
वो
can
तो
say
उसके
that
इंटरनल मैम मैं आई मीन उसकी बात कर रहा था, अगर पूरा सिस्टम अगर रेस्ट पे तो उसकी जो एक्सटर्नल काइनेटिक एनर्जी है उसको हम वैसे कंसीडर नहीं करते ना.
हाँ, उसको कंसीडर नहीं करते. If the whole of the system is at rest. Okay, so it means that either when there is a change in temperature or heat is evolved or absorbed, work is done on the system or by the system. Third is matter enters or leaves the system. It means अगर test tube में suppose 1 ml liquid है, आपने 5 ml liquid you are adding more. So more is the amount. More can be the internal energy. So if we are adding certain amount of the substance or we are taking out certain amount of the substance, even then the internal energy of the system changes. So now we are going to study these variables in detail. That is how it is related to the heat, how it is related to the work. Okay. So the first step we are going to do is how it changes with the work. Okay, there are few sign conventions. Work done on the system is taken as positive. In chemistry, work done on the system is taken as positive and work done by the system it is taken as negative. Now, what is the work done? How we can do certain amount of work?
P into delta.
When there is a displacement.
Okay. वर्क थोड़ा सा उससे केमिस्ट्री और फिजिक्स में कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट मतलब कॉन्सेप्ट सेम है लेकिन पॉइंट्स कैन बी डिफरेंट ओनली. सो वर्क कैन बी डन इन टू वेज. अल्टीमेटली बात वही आ जाती है, वर्क कैन बी डन इन टू वेज. फर्स्ट वर्क इज द मैकेनिकल वर्क. फर्स्ट वे इज द मैकेनिकल वर्क. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मैकेनिकल वर्क?
Ma'am, displace.
Now suppose I am taking isolated system. What is the meaning of isolated system?
मैम आप बीच में मैम थोड़ा सा 5 मिनट के लिए मैम आप फ्रीज हो गए थे.
What is the meaning of isolated system?
Ma'am, neither energy nor matter can transfer.
Okay, not energy nor matter. Okay, so what I am taking now, मैं इसी को पूरा explain कर रही हूँ आपको. What I am taking is a adiabatic system. In a adiabatic system, have you studied this term?
Now we
Adiabatic
have studied
system.
in physics, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. in an adiabatic system means no exchange of heat between system and surroundings. That is insulated system. Okay, so if we are taking a adiabatic system, so how can we do a mechanical work? It means there cannot be any exchange of heat between the system and the surrounding. So if I am taking is an adiabatic system, then how can we say that work is done on the system or done by the system? Okay, mechanical work can be done. Yes, Vara bolo. Can you repeat again? Okay, suppose I am taking a insulated system, लेकिन यहाँ पर मैंने एक छोटा सा अंदर पैडल लगा दिया और पैडल को हमने किसी तरह से हिला दिया, तो क्या होगा? Will the heat energy temperature increases or decreases?
Some increases.
Increase.
Increases. So it means even in an isolated system, we can do a mechanical work. Mechanical work means like rotating a paddle wheel. So if we are in a so in case of mechanical work means like rotating a paddle wheel. Temperature increases. Now suppose the temperature increases from T1 या TA to TB. ठीक है? There is a change in temperature. So if the temperature is changed, then what happens to the internal energy? Internal energy will also change. And it means that what is the change in internal energy? That is equal to change in temperature. That is TB minus TA. Is it okay? Yes or no?
मैम जो चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी उसका इक्वल थोड़ा होगा, उसके प्रोपोर्शनल में होगा ना कि ये बढ़ेगा, बट
मैंने वही कहा कि जो चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी डिपेंड्स अपॉन द चेंज इन टेम्परेचर. It depends upon the change in temperature.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है, तो आप ये भी कर सकते हो, is dependent on delta T. If you want, you can write it like this: is dependent on delta T. Is dependent on delta T. Now, what is delta T? TB minus TA. Clear? So this is one of the way, that is the mechanical work. So in the case of a adiabatic system, we can change the internal energy, that is delta U किसके equal होते हैं? UB minus UA. So we can change the internal energy either by doing certain mechanical work. Mechanical work means जो हम हाथों से कर रहे हैं, like rotating a paddle wheel. हाथों से नहीं भी करना, अगर आप उसको बॉटल को, जैसे आपकी सपोज एक इंसुलेटेड बॉटल, अगर आप उसको खुद ही जोर जोर से भी घुमा दोगे, even then the energy will increase if you keep on rotating it with your hand. That is a mechanical work. Okay, now the second way how we can change the internal energy. First way is that when temperature, heat is evolved or absorbed by the system. What was the second way?
Transfer of energy.
नहीं, मैंने 3 points बताया ना, how we can change the internal energy. I have told you 3 points.
When work is done on the
When work is done on the system or by the system.
when heat is evolved or absorbed by system.
Yes, very good. Shreya, I am quite happy that Shreya is responding today. Other students, they used to respond, but Shreya, clap for you. Okay. Second thing is that when work is done on the system or by the system. Work is done on the system or by the system. ठीक है. Now this work जो basically था, आपको एक तो मैंने बता दिया था मैकेनिकल वर्क, और सेकंड वर्क कैसे कर सकते हैं। वर्क हमारे दो तरह के होते हैं, वन ऑफ देम इज मैकेनिकल वर्क और सेकंड वर्क होता है इलेक्ट्रिकल वर्क। नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल वर्क? What is the meaning of
electrical work? Means movement of charge.
movement of charge? If we pass electricity, for example, अगर आपने एक electric kettle ले ली, you are just connecting it to the wire and the water inside will get heated. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if we are on passing so mechanical work we have already done. The second type of work is electrical work. Now electrical work means on passing electricity. Suppose आपने एक इलेक्ट्रिक रॉड लगा दी, जैसे आप गीजर में होते हैं आपका गीजर के अंदर क्या होता है, एक रॉड होती है, फिलामेंट होते हैं, बेसिकली हीटर होता है। तो हीटर में क्या होगा, वी आर पासिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी so the temperature increases. So again there is an increase in temperature, and suppose the temperature increases from TA to TB, same way, so it means that delta U also increases. So if the temperature increases, then the internal energy of the system also increases. Is it okay? So I told you that when work is done by the system or on the system, then there is a change in internal energy. So it means that delta U is equal to UB minus UA. And what is it? Work done. So this is equal to W. W means whenever the work is done on the system or by the system, and this is called as W adiabatic, because we are taking a system in which there is no exchange of heat between the system and the surroundings. So मैं आपको recap दे रही हूँ, whatever we have done. Internal energy, I told you what is the definition. Then I told you that internal energy, we cannot find out the exact value of the internal energy. Then I told you 3 points how the internal energy of the system changes. One of the point was that work is done or by the system. So when work is done on or by the system, this point I am taking, when work is done on the system or by the system, then what we are taking is an adiabatic system. I am considering the system as an adiabatic. Adiabatic means there is no exchange of heat between the system and the surroundings. So in the case of adiabatic system, we can do two type of work. Either it is by mechanical work or it is the electrical work. So while we are doing the work, the temperature changes, that is delta T from TA to TB. There is a change in temperature. So if the temperature changes, internal energy also changes. So it means that change in internal energy depends upon the work done by the system or done on the system. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Now first way होता है work. Second way क्या आता है? Heat. Either heat is absorbed or evolved by the system. So second way what we are taking is the heat. ठीक है? So what we are doing is change in internal energy. My main topic was change in internal energy. तो एक आपको इसको मैंने किसकी टर्म से बताया, वर्क के टर्म में, ठीक है, and this relation I have given you. One, I have explained whether the work is done on or by the system, and delta U is equal to W adiabatic. It means heat को हम change नहीं कर रहे. There is no exchange of heat between the system and the surrounding, but when we are doing the mechanical or the electrical work, there is a change in temperature. Now the second is heat. Second is heat. You can see, open your NCERT also. The topic number 6.1.4 I am taking. Uska A part I have told you, that is heat. What is the symbol for the heat?
Q.
Q.
डेल्टा क्यू.
Delta Q means नहीं, delta Q, हाँ delta Q ले सकते हो, delta H भी ले सकते हो, but generally heat के लिए हम word use करते हैं Q. Now when we are, इसमें तो मैंने आपको बताया था एडियाबैटिक सिस्टम होता है, लेकिन अगर मैं हीट एक्सचेंज और एब्जॉर्ब करें then the system should not be adiabatic.
Isothermal.
System should not be adiabatic. It means walls should be thermally conducting. Should not be adiabatic. It should be isothermal. Isothermal means, iso means constant, thermal means temperature. It means temperature should remain constant. How? Exchange of heat is possible between system and surroundings. Exchange of heat is possible between system and surrounding. Suppose जैसे आपने एक वाटर को हॉट वाटर ले लिया कप में, उसको आपने रूम टेम्परेचर पे ले दिया, धीरे धीरे क्या होगा, आपने वाटर लिया, उसको हीट किया, you are pouring the water in a cup. What happens after some time? Water will get cold. Why? Because it is exchanging its heat with the surroundings. So that type of a system is called as a isothermal system. So what we are taking is a isothermal system with a thermally conducting walls. So now what happens? What happens? Suppose I am taking a container, ठीक है, इसको मैं हीट कर रही हूँ, heat is provided to the container. मैंने एक hot container ले लिया, heat is being provided. Now I am putting a test tube. Test tube मेरा है system. So what happens at a temperature TA? What happens after some time? Suppose इसमें water है ये आपका, and I am taking a test tube containing certain liquid. What happens to the test tube after some time?
Its temperature increases.
Its temperature increases. It means temperature is changing from TA to TB. Clear? So it means that if we are heating the system or we are cooling the system, then the internal energy is equal to Q. It means Q means heat change. Clear? So in this case, internal energy is equal to heat change. And generally, when we are doing the heat change, it is taken as a constant volume because there is no change in volume. अगर मैंने इसको एक closed container के अंदर रख दिया system को, तो there is no change in volume, so I am calling it as QV. Okay. If I am taking a closed container, then it is called as QV. So it means that there are two cases. One of them is delta U is equal to QV, heat change at constant volume, and delta U is equal to W adiabatic. It means work done in the case of a adiabatic process. Okay. Now, what are the sign conventions? Work का तो मैंने आपको sign convention बता दिया था. Work done on the system is positive and done by the system is taken as negative. What are the sign conventions for heat?
Absorbed by positive or released by negative.
Yes. Heat absorbed by the system.
Heat absorbed to positive, heat released to negative.
Yes. Heat absorbed by the system is positive. Positive means endothermic, exothermic.
Endothermic.
Endothermic.
Yes. Positive means endothermic. And heat really evolved by the system. But I am in a class right now. Heat absorbed by the system is positive. Heat evolved by the system is negative. Negative means exothermic. Okay. So these few sign conventions you should be knowing. Now, if we take all the things into account, it means delta U is equal to QV. अगर मैं हीट के टर्म्स में देखूं कि डेल्टा यू इज इक्वल टू डब्ल्यू एडियाबैटिक, इन जनरल केस, so what is delta u is equal to q plus w. Delta u depends upon both heat change, अगर मैं दोनों को continuous change कर रही हूँ तो delta u is equal to q plus w.
एक्सक्यूज मैम,
Yes,
मैम यहाँ पे हमने जो W जो वर्क डन है वो हमने कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम पे निकाला है।
हाँ constant volume.
मैम बट कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम पे तो जीरो हो जाएगा।
वर्क डन हमने constant volume पर नहीं निकाला, हमने केवल heat change constant volume पे निकाली है.
मैम फिर वर्क डन के लिए कोई कंडीशन है कि वो कांस्टेंट प्रेशर या वॉल्यूम पे?
मैम वो तो जनरल है ना मैम, वो तो
हाँ, वो एक
जनरल है।
जनरल है, तो उसमें आप ले सकते हो कि ऑब्वियसली अगर मेरा सिस्टम क्लोज्ड है तो वॉल्यूम तो क्या रहेगा, कांस्टेंट ही रहेगा ना, चेंज तो नहीं हो सकता.
यस मैम।
ठीक है, तो वो तो ऑटोमेटिकली कांस्टेंट ही होगा. लेकिन हीट चेंज एक्चुअली में आपकी दो तरह से हो सकती है, एट कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम एंड एट कांस्टेंट प्रेशर. लेकिन जब हम इंटरनल एनर्जी लेते हैं तो इसमें हीट चेंज हम किस पे लेते हैं, एट कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम. ओके, so it means that delta u is equal to q plus w, and this is also called as first law of thermodynamics. And what is first law of thermodynamics? It is a law of conservation. That means that energy of a isolated system, adiabatic के लिए निकाला था ना, energy of a isolated system is constant. Total energy of the system is a constant if it is isolated. So that is called as law of conservation of energy. First law is also called a law of conservation of energy. First law is called as law of conservation of energy. Okay. और बेटे इसके ना थोड़े एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चन साथ साथ करते रहना. जैसे क्वेश्चन है, इंटेक्स क्वेश्चन नहीं ले रही हूँ मैं, यू कैन ओपन योर बुक्स, प्रॉब्लम 6.1. Okay, now I am asking few students to read out the questions.
Ma'am, could you show the board?
Yes, 1 minute. Okay, meanwhile, Akshita, can you read out the question? Exam problem 6.1. Just read out. I think board is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Akshita, you read out the question.
Ma'am, 6.1.
Yes, in text question.
Yes, ma'am, just taking it out.
Yes.
Ma'am, express the change in internal energy of a system when no heat is absorbed by the system from the surroundings, but work is done in the system. What type of wall does the system have?
Yes, it means there is no exchange of heat between the system and the surroundings. So it means what type of walls are there? There are two types of walls. Either they are thermally conducting or they are adiabatic walls. So what types of walls it is having? Arumita, can you tell me the answer?
Ma'am, adiabatic.
Adiabatic. Okay, second. Akshita, only you read.
No work is done.
Bolo.
No work is done on the system, but Q amount of heat is taken out from the system and given to the surroundings. What type of wall does the system have?
Yes, it means delta U किसके equal होगा? QV. We have done first case में delta U किसके ऊपर depend कर रहा था? W के ऊपर. And QV means what type of walls it is having? Yes, who can tell me what types of walls it is having? If there is an exchange of heat between the system walls.
Thermal conducting.
Thermal conducting walls. Third case, W amount of work is done by the system and Q amount of heat is supplied to the system. Work done by the system is taken as work done by the system. आपको मालूम है अगर दोनों चीजें सेम होंगी, दोनों चीजें चेंज हो रही तो आप जनरल केस लोगे, डेल्टा U is equal to Q plus W, and it is given that Q amount of heat is supplied to the system. It means heat absorbed by the system. Heat absorbed by the system is taken as positive. And what is the work done by the system?
And we
What
can
are the
say
sign
any system.
Any system. आपको sign convention बताइए ना? What is the sign convention when work is done by the system? Positive or negative?
Minus. Negative.
Minus.
Ma'am, negative.
Negative. तो आपको इसमें sign का ध्यान रखना है because heat is absorbed by the system and I have just told you that heat absorbed by the system is taken as positive. The value of Q will be positive and that of W will be negative. So these type of questions, they are the one marker questions. Okay. Now another thing, तो अभी तक मैंने आपको एक तो वर्क का ही बताया, जनरल केस बताया, सेकंड हीट करा दिया. Now what we are going to do are the applications of first law. Yes.
मैम ये सॉल्यूशन में तो लिखा है मैम क्लोज्ड सिस्टम, मैम ओपन भी तो चलेगा ना?
कहाँ पर लिखा है?
मैम
अच्छा ये what type of system it is? ओपन भी चलेगा लेकिन इसमें हमें ये बताया कि मैटर का तो कोई एक्सचेंज नहीं बता रहे ना. आपका सिस्टम ओपन भी हो सकते हैं इफ देयर इज एक्सचेंज ऑफ मैटर. तीन कंडीशंस के ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं, हीट, वर्क एंड एक्सचेंज ऑफ मैटर. It is nowhere given that there is exchange of matter between the system and the surroundings. So that's why they have written here it is a closed system. ठीक है
मैम ये क्वेश्चन ही नहीं क्लियर है मैम, या तो उसे बताना चाहिए हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है.
मतलब देखो इसमें पूछा था सिस्टम क्या है, हमें मालूम है आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम तो वो नहीं है, इंसुलेटेड नहीं है. Why? Because certain amount of heat is supplied to the system, so it is not isolated. तो आपके तीन तरह के होते हैं, ओपन, क्लोज्ड और आइसोलेटेड. तो इट इज नॉट आइसोलेटेड. ओपन हो सकते हैं लेकिन ओपन और क्लोज में फर्क क्या है? इफ देयर इज एक्सचेंज ऑफ मैटर देन इट इज ओपन. तो यहाँ पर कहीं मैटर का एक्सचेंज नहीं है तो इसलिए हमने इसको क्लोज लिया, हमने इसको ओपन नहीं लिया. ठीक है, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है क्वेश्चन में, मेरे को नहीं लग रहा कोई कंफ्यूजन है, मैं ध्यान से सोचोगे तो. ओके अब आपको ये बताया कि जो वर्क होता है जनरली इट कैन बी मैकेनिकल वर्क और इट कैन बी इलेक्ट्रिकल वर्क. नाउ इन द केस ऑफ मैकेनिकल वर्क से थोड़ा सा इंट्रो दे रही हूँ इस पॉइंट का. चैप्टर इजी है और आपने फिजिक्स में एक्चुअली पहले कर लिया था, थोड़ा और ज्यादा बेसिक टर्म्स आपको मालूम है. देखो हमारा वर्क जो होता है वो दो तरह से होता है. एक होता है हमारा मैकेनिकल वर्क, अभी बताया मैंने आपको डेट. ठीक है, और सेकंड टाइप ऑफ वर्क इज इलेक्ट्रिकल वर्क. इलेक्ट्रिकल वर्क में व्हाट वी आर पासिंग इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. और इसके लिए हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का अगर आपने याद हो, अपने इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री में फॉर्मूलेस किए हुए थे, -NF E0. इसमें हमारा किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है? इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल बन जाते तो E0 वैल्यू. यू रिमेंबर चैप्टर रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन, क्लास का टॉपिक था आपको इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल. तो इन दैट व्हेनेवर वी आर पासिंग द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द E0 वैल्यू. तो इसको तो भी भूल जाओ, अभी कुछ नहीं है इस चैप्टर में. मैकेनिकल वर्क इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज प्रेशर वॉल्यूम वर्क. जो आप बोल रहे थे ना वॉल्यूम चेंज होते, तो मैकेनिकल वर्क इज कॉल्ड एज प्रेशर वॉल्यूम वर्क. So now to understand the mechanical work, so what we are taking is mechanical work, that is pressure volume work. ठीक है, जा रही हूँ. Okay, we will be starting, we will be continuing with the chapter tomorrow. So I am leaving it. Okay. We have a meeting at 12:30, so I am leaving the class.
Attendance.
हाँ, अटेंडेंस मैं एक बार दोबारा से ले लेती हूँ जो बच्चों ने अभी अटेंड नहीं. स्क्रीनशॉट ही लूँ के 28 रह गए. ओके, कोई बात नहीं, आई विल टेक. एक तो जयंत आया था मेरे पास, बोला था। ठीक है मैंने, आई हैव टेकन द अटेंडेंस अगेन, नो प्रॉब्लम।
Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू
ओके यू कैन